Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We already did one video today. Really decided to do a really quick Bitcoin update and on the report on inflation and what's going on and whether you should be longing or shorting. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing, etc. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And I literally, guys and girls, have like 10 minutes right now for you to make this video. My room is absolute mess. Monaco is going nuts right now. And I have to be at F1 right now. So I'll be running downstairs like as soon as I finish this video. So please hit that like button so that I'm always keeping you updated. So without any further ado, you've hit that like button, you've hit that subscribe button, and ready to go. Okay, so the report on inflation is in, and this is the report, the PCE, the one that I've been talking to you about, and this is this personal consumptions expenditures price index. This is the one that Fed gives more weight to. So basically what happened is right here, let me just find it real quick. There it is right here. So here are all the readings, PCE on the bottom right here. So we're gonna see 5.3, 5.2, 4.9, and also so 6.3 and 4.9 in April, as you can see. So the inflation figures are actually going down. So this is quite positive. And I mean, this is a very quick update, and that's why I hit that like button so that you are always updated. So basically the inflation figures are, the inflation is going down according to PCE, and this is what Fed is going to be looking at. So for that reason, since inflation, potentially a lot of people are already saying that we've seen the peak inflation potentially, and you know, in Financial Times, you can see that US stock futures rise after upbeat report on consumer spending. So this is again very good, and there's a lot of positive sentiment. Also here, the Fed's favorite inflation measure rose 4.9% in April in a sign that price increases could be slowing. So there is some kind of a positive note here. And if we're gonna take a look at NDX, NASDAQ, we're gonna see that we opened with the gap, actually, with the gap going upward. You will see this is, oh well, let me just put on the daily chart. So there you go. We'll see a gap. So the NASDAQ actually opened quite positively. So, and what does it mean for Bitcoin? We know that Bitcoin follows S&P 500 and especially NASDAQ. So for that reason, if we're gonna go to Bitcoin right now, we're gonna see that we have, you know, a tiny bit of positiveness. We had a small, in a 15-minute chart right here, we've seen a small pump going upward, and currently we are trading at about 29,160. Now the big question is, should you put in your long trade? And as for me, I've already put in a long trade just real quick, as I have to leave just a small $100,000 trade over on Bybit, which is currently at a small negative. So I just put in a quick small trade because I really have to leave. But to be honest, the most proper way to do this, let me just show it to you real quick. If we're gonna go to at least 1 hour chart, we're going to see the following. So we're gonna see this kind of a wedge formation with a very strong support at about 28,800 and something. And right now, honestly, what I would want to see is a break above at least this resistance. So a break above 29,430, and also see some volume, because we saw just a tiny bit of volume here at the announcement of the report. So it's not really that very, you know, it's not really enough for us currently. If we're gonna take a look at a 4 hour chart, that's exactly what you're going to see. So we really want to see at least this break above right here, and then potentially retest $30,000 and also retest this at 30,500. But I went real quick, I put in the trade, whatever, this, you know, a small trade for me. So be very alert, and if you want to be trading actively yourself, then use my link down in the description or in the pinned comment. And if you use my link to sign up with Bybit, you'll get up to $4,100 in bonuses on top of your initial deposit. And of course, I have to mention this because if the market turns, if this is not enough for whatever reason for the markets to have some kind of a small relief rally, because again, Fed is in control and the inflation is in control, the bears are in control. So for a small relief rally, we wanted to see that, you know, inflation going down at least a little bit. That's what we've seen just now. But of course, it's possible, and I have to put it out there that it's possible that it's not enough for the markets, and we're gonna, you know, close the gap on NASDAQ and actually gonna go down and drag Bitcoin together with us, actually breaking this support right here, going down with a target of $25,000. And in that instance, you know, I'm gonna take a loss on my trade here. What I wanted to mention that it's always the possibility. Nothing is guaranteed in the market. So it's not financial advice. be your own trader and know what the hell you're doing. So in case, if it turns again against really fast, it's gonna go down, it's gonna show us some volume breaking this level right here, which is, gonna be a complete disappointment in the market that everybody was expecting this report. And if you're not gonna see some kind of a relief rally, a lot of people are gonna just get out and they're gonna actually get into short positions even more. So, and we know that the bears are currently in control. So I will definitely flip. I'll close my trade with some whatever loss, and I'll open a short trade if I find a good entry point. So that's something I really wanted to mention. And peace and love, Tom Scrollo. Gotta run to the F1, and best of luck in the markets. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.